Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. If this is your first time, I'm Vern. Please go ahead and subscribe. One of my subscribers asked me to put my spin on a recipe that she saw, and she would like me to put my spin on it because, as you guys know, if you're one of my subscribers on this channel, we put our spin on everything. I decided today to show you how I'm going to make my banana fritters. Like, this is such a good idea because sometimes when you buy bananas, by the time it's 2-3 days and you don't have time consume all of it, it's gone bad. Or it's gotten so ripe that you cannot really consume it, if not in a smoothie. My subscriber asked, you ask and you shall receive. So I decided to show you how I make my banana fritters, and I'm going to put my spin on it. So guys, I hope you love the spin I'm going to put on it, because the spin I'm going to put on it is good. It's really good. Today I'm going to make rum and raisin banana fritters. Guys, this is my island twist to you. This is my Caribbean twist, my island twist. I'm going to make it rum and raisin. So I don't know if you've ever heard of rum and raisin banana fritters before. I've never heard of rum and raisin banana fritters before. And I've never made rum and raisin banana fritters before. But you ask and you shall receive. I'm at your service. So let's go, guys. Rum and raisin banana fritters. Let's go. So I have my ingredients here for my rum and raisin banana fritters. Here I have rum. Dark rum. You can use any dark rum. I have raisins here, and it's already been sitting in the rum for about half an hour because I want my raisins to be infused with the rum and to get soft. I have allspice, cinnamon, rum extract, vanilla extract, nutmeg, a little sugar, melted butter, flour, baking powder, and my overripe bananas. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put my bananas in the bowl so I can get it ready. And as I said, it's very easy. There's nothing to it, just take the skin off. And I'm just going to mash it up. You do not need a mixer for this. You do not need any fancy tool because it's very, very quick and easy. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And add my melted butter. One tablespoon of vanilla extract, a few drops of rum extract. I'm going to go ahead and add my raisin-soaked rum. And Now I'm going to go ahead and add my flour. Go ahead and add 1 cup. For now, as I do not want to add too much, as I still want my batter to be wet, but not too wet. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my spices. Add ½ teaspoon cinnamon, ½ teaspoon allspice, and ¼ teaspoon nutmeg. One teaspoon of baking powder. It's a little too wet. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my flour, which may be about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little taste. It's sweet enough. I think I can add a little more nutmeg and a little more cinnamon. In this recipe, spices will work. So do not be scared of the spices, guys. And as you can see, guys, I'm just folding it in. Okay, so my oil is hot. I'm going to go ahead and start frying. I'm just going to go ahead and use my ice cream scoop and a spoon. And before you start frying, make sure your oil is hot. You do not want to put your fritters in there and for it to just be sitting in the oil and your oil is not frying it. It's because it's not hot enough. So just use a spoon to just turn it over. If you use a fork to puncture it, that's not good. That's not a good idea. I'm just making some space to add a few more. 1 or 2 more. Maybe 1 more. Because you do not want your skillet to be overcrowded. You want enough space so it can fry. I have my plate here with some paper towel on there. I'm just going to take this out. So I'm just putting it on the side of my skillet to drain it out. I'm going to place it on my paper towel. Just bring it to the side. Just let it drain for a second or two. And I like mine golden brown, so I'm going to just turn this over again. And it smells so good. I can smell the rum, I can smell the raisins. Of my fritters. These fritters look beautiful. These are also done. Put them on the paper towel. That's it, guys. They're beautiful. So while my rum and raisin fritters cool, I'm going to go ahead and make a quick drizzle. So I'm just going to use a little powdered sugar. Don't need to measure, guys. You can just eyeball. And I'm going to go ahead and use the rum that I had my raisins soaking in. That's it, guys. That's how easy it is. I'm going to put a little bit more of the rum in there. And the kiddos love banana fritters. But as I said, a subscriber asked me to put my spin on these banana fritters, so I'm assuming that it's for adults. She didn't ask for a spin for kids. So I went ahead and put my adult spin on it. But if you're serving kiddos, please skip the rum, guys. Use orange juice, apple juice, grape juice, any juice to soak your raisins, and use the rest of that for your drizzle. And that's how quick and easy it is. I'm going to go ahead and add a tiny bit more rum. Because when you drizzle it on top, it's going to harden a little bit. So even if it's watery, that's fine. Because when it sets, it will harden a little bit. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle. Okay guys, that's it. This is how I make and I put my twist on banana fritters. I made rum and raisin banana fritters. And as I've said before, go ahead and put your spin on it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you would like to see more videos like this, you would like me to bring you more recipes like this, you'd like me to show you how I put my twist on recipes, let me know in the comment section, guys. Continue to follow me, continue to check out videos as I put it out, guys. It's been my honor to put my twist on the famous banana fritters for you today. And it looks beautiful. It smells delicious. Guys, look how beautiful these fritters are. You can see the raisins in there. You can smell the rum. You can smell all the spices. Time for the taste test. Guys, and look how nice and soft it is. Look how beautiful. You can see the raisins in there. You can see the spices. Guys, this is delicious. You can taste the rum, you can taste the raisins, you can taste the spices, you can taste the bananas. It's not too sweet, it's crunchy on the outside, soft and gooey on the inside. I love it. I hope you enjoyed, guys. I hope you learned something new today. And don't forget to put your spin on it, put your mark on it, and make it your own. Guys, until the next video, thank you so much for watching. Bye.